Good day, friends. Today we'll be examining past questions on the WAEC on number-based system, and this is a trick WAEC use in testing our students. Maybe they will use calculator or not. Let's see the question. Copy and complete the binary multiplication step. So this is the question. This is multiplication in 10, 11, 10, 10, 11, 100, 1011, 101. So we have the missing figures here. We're asked to do that in multiplication in binary base 2. So if you then use calculator to solve this problem, you'll be getting figures like 2, 3 in some of your answers. While some may be right, but majority of your answers will be wrong. So let's see how we do this. We have to multiply 10 and 10, and 1 and 0, 1 and 0 gives 1, 0, 0. 1 and 0 and 1, 1. Let's see the results. So we have 1, 1 and 1, 0 in base 2. So this will give you 0 times 1, 0 times 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1. So we add up. So the answer to this one is 1, 1, 0. Let's go to the next one. 1, 0 and this. So we have 1, 0, 1 times 1, 0. 0 times 3 digits. 1 times 3 digits. That's 1, 0, 1. Let's add up. 0, 1, 0, 1. So the answer to this one now is 1, 0, 1, 0. Let's go to this one now. 1, 1 and 1, 1. So 1, 1 times 1, 1. So we have 1 times 2 digits, that's this. 1 times 2 digits, that's this. So we have 1. So look at this now. 1 plus 1. If you dare write 2 here, you are not working in base 2. So when you are adding 1, 1 means 2 over 2. Now 1 remains, that's 0. So it's 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now it's 0, you carry 1. So that's where the mistake may be. So 101. Where am I now? So 101 and 10. 1, 1 times 1, 1. So 1, 1 and 1, 1. So that will give you 1, 0, 0, 1. So we have 1, 1 and this. So let's do that. 1, 0, 1 times 1, 1. So 3 digits and 1, 0, 1. 3 digits, 1, 0, 1. So let's add up. So the answer to this one is 1, 1, 1, 1. So the last two now, which is 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0. 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0. So that will give you 3 digits. That's 0. 1 times 3 digits, 0, 0, 1. So when we add up, so we have this now. 1, 0, 0, 0. So the last one now, which is 1, 0, 0 times 1, 1. So we have 1 times 3 digits. So 1 times 3 digits, that's 0, 0, 1. So when we add up, so we have 1, 1, 0, 0. I hope you have gained something in this video. These are the tricks why I can tempt the students or entice them in using their calculator. So once you use your calculator to get values like this, the answer will definitely be wrong. I hope you have gained something in the video. I want you all to see how we will convert 11.011 base 2 to a number in base 10. Let's see the result in the comment section. I'll be there to mark all your answers. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel or my Facebook, this is the time to do so. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.